Okay. Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss quantum numbers in atomic structure. Very important topic. Previously, this kind of questions are asked in JEE examination, AIMS examination, as well as NEET examination. So let's start with the quantum numbers. What are quantum numbers? What are use of quantum numbers means? These are the numbers which are used to know the exact position of an electron in an atom. So to know exact position of an atom, position of an electron in an atom. What does the meaning of exact position of electron in an atom means? For example, we have an atom. In atom, the electron belongs to which shell? Means belongs to which shell? Whether K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, etc. Suppose electron belongs to either K shell, L shell. Again, it belongs to which subshell? मतलब S, P, D, F orbitals. Again, if suppose electron belongs to in P subshell, P orbitals. Again, shell, subshell, nothing but orbitals. Again, from this orbital, suppose electron belongs to P orbital. Suppose. Then which direction? Which orientation? Which orientation? मतलब either x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. Then at last, suppose electron belongs to in px or py, pz. Now electrons are spinning which direction? So spinning of an electrons. Spinning of an electrons in which direction? So if you know exact position of an electron in an atom, we require 4 quantum numbers. That is the first one, this quantum number, the electron belongs to K shell, L shell, M shell, and second subshell, and orientation, and finally spinning of an electron. Very simple funda. Suppose I want to ask one particular student address. Suppose the student belongs to AP. The students belongs to AP. This is the main shell only. In AP, where student is belongs to, suppose he belongs to Guntur or he belongs to Vijayawada. In Guntur, where it located, his house is located, either south direction, north direction, suppose north direction only. North direction means here spinning of an electron is different. How it is, the student is roaming, either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So in simple, every students might understood very clearly. So what are the quantum numbers? Now I am going to discuss each and everyone individually. So this is in brief, what are quantum numbers? Now let's start with, there are 4 quantum numbers, but in Schrodinger equation 3 quantum numbers are derived. That is that is N, L, M, but spin quantum number is not derived. Anyhow, principal quantum number. The first quantum number is the principal quantum number. Who proposed the principal quantum number is Niels Bohr. Not required. This kind of question they never asked. Scientist names. The principal quantum number represented by what? It is represented by the letter small n. Most important thing is, what is the main significance of principal quantum number? Significance is important. Significance is important. The main significance of principal quantum number is to know the size of the orbit. Matlab electron belongs to which shell? For example, this is suppose electron here only, from nucleus to at what distance electrons are present. This is nothing but radius also, is nothing but size also, nothing but energy also we have to find out. So the main significance of principal quantum number is, the significance is to know the size of the orbit, to know the energy of the orbit, to know the radius of the orbit. This is the main important significance of principal quantum number. And he also said, Bohr also said, angular momentum of an electron is quantized. Matlab angular momentum is mvr is equal to, this is point number 1, point number 2, angular momentum is integral multiples of h pi 2 pi. That means if electron belongs to first orbit, his angular momentum is h pi 2 pi. If electron belongs to second orbit, his angular momentum is 2h pi 2 pi. If electron belongs to third orbit, his angular momentum is 3h pi 2 pi. Achha, these kind of questions are previously asked in JIPMER examination also, in APMT, previously before NEET APMT only. Achha, simple questions also they may ask. So angular momentum is quantized if electron belongs to, suppose, third shell, this angular momentum of an electron is 3h pi 2 pi. Suppose electron belongs to first shell, this is h pi 2 pi. This is angular momentum of an electron. Next thing is maximum number of electrons in a shell. Maximum number of electrons in a shell. Maximum number of electrons in a shell, the formula is 2n square. For example, K shell, maximum number of electrons are 2 into 1 square, which is equal to 2. In L shell, 2 into 2 square, which is equal to 8. In M shell, 2 into 3 square, which is equal to 18. In N shell, 2 into 4 square, which is equal to 32 only. So maximum number of electrons in a shell is equal to 2n square only. Achha, what kind of question they may ask? Previously asked one question is, the previously asked question is, in fourth shell, how many electrons are present? How many electrons are present with the same spin? This is the previously asked question in JEE examination also. How many in fourth shell, how many electrons are present with the same spin? In fourth shell means N shell. How many electrons are? 32 electrons. Out of 32 electrons with the same spin is how many? 16. Because in orbital having 2 electrons, both are opposite spin only. With the same spin 16, the total number of electrons in N shell is equal to 32 only. So this is a significance of principal quantum number. Next we go for second principal quantum number, that is a azimuthal quantum number. Now azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number, or somebody will say orbital quantum number also, represented by capital L or small l. Azimuthal quantum number, orbital quantum number only. Again, what is the main significance? Significance is very important in all quantum numbers. Main significance is it determines subshell, or we know shape of orbitals. To know the subshell, this orbital quantum number, azimuthal quantum numbers are used only. Acha chalo, for your kind of information, L is equal to 0, we designated as S orbital. Acha, L is equal to 1, designated as P orbital. Acha, N is equal to 2, D orbital. Designations are. L is equal to 3, F orbital. Acha, actual meaning of S, P, D, F is different. S means sharp lines in spectral, means in spectrums, sharp lines are observed is called spherical. Acha, P is, what is the meaning of P is principal lines in a main subshell is nothing but P orbitals. Diffusion lines they have seen is called D orbitals. Some fundamental lines they found that is called F orbital. So this is actual meaning of S, P, D, F orbitals only. But for our kind of information, designation is represented as like L values are. And one more important point, so many years this question is asked, what are number of L values? L values are what? L values are always 0 to n minus 1. L values are 0 to n minus 1. That means L value never exceeds n value, it is always less than n value only. For example, n is equal to 1, L value 0 only. 1s orbital only possible. Acha, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 1, 1p orbital is impossible. Acha, sometimes the questions asked, which of the following set of quantum number is not permissible? Which of the following quantum numbers is not possible? So we can check it. L values are always less than n value. Similarly, if n is equal to 2, L is equal to 2, 2d orbital is not possible. Like n is equal to 3, L is equal to 3, and 3f orbital is not possible. So you remember the number of L values are 0 to n minus 1. That means L values are always less than n value only. Now, in principal quantum number we discussed angular momentum for orbit quantum number. Once again, angular momentum MVR in orbit quantum number. Orbit quantum number is nothing but principal quantum number, which is equal to nh by 2 pi. Acha, for your kind of information, this question asked so many times, I call it 5-star question. Orbital quantum number, orbital angular momentum. Orbital angular momentum MVR is equal to, which is equal to integral multiples of L into L plus 1 h pi 2 pi. Acha, we represent the capital L also, orbital angular momentum under root L into L plus 1 h pi 2 pi. Or sometimes representation like that, under root L into L plus 1 h bar. H bar is nothing but h by 2 pi. Acha, here one conclusion hai. For any s orbital, capital L is equal to 0. Since L value 0 for s orbital, for any p orbital, capital L is equal to, p orbital L is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 root 2 h pi 2 pi. For any d orbital, we can substitute L is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 3 root 6 h pi 2 pi. And one more important point in azimuthal quantum number is maximum number of electrons in a subshell, that is 4L plus 2, or some textbook they are written 2 into 2L plus 1, both are same only. For example, in s orbital L value 0 means 4 into 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2, maximum number of electron subshell. And p subshell, acha, 4 into 1 plus 2, which is equal to 6. D subshell, 4 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to 10. F orbital, 4 into 3 plus 2, which is equal to 14 electrons. So maximum number of electrons in a subshell formula of 4L plus 2, whereas the maximum number of electron in a shell is equal to 2n square. This is important, we note. Chalo, next. One more important point in orbital quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, is number of subshells in a shell, which is equal to n. Number of subshell in a shell is equal to n formula. For example, K is a main shell. How many subshells are possible? 1. What are that 1? 1s orbital. In L shell, number of subshells are 2. What are 2? 2s and 2p. Acha, in m shell, third shell, how many? 3. N shell, n, third shell 3, L shell, second shell 2, first shell 1. What are 3? 3s, 3p, 3d. Like in n shell, n means 4. So how many possible? 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f is possible. 4f is possible. Chalo. Now maximum number of electrons subshell formula, number of subshells in a shell formula. Then we will moving into the one more quantum number, magnetic quantum number only. Magnetic quantum number. अच्छा, magnetic quantum number है, represented by ml, magnetic quantum number है. अच्छा, what is the main significance? Significance is orientation. It tells about orientation of an electron in an orbit, in orbital. Orientation of an electron in orbital. This is the main significance of magnetic quantum number only. So for your kind of information, what are m values are? Minus L2 plus L including 0. Minus L2 plus L including 0. For example, if L is equal to 1, m values are minus 1 also possible, 0 also possible, plus 1 also possible. Achha, these are not number, these are orientations only. These are not number. Minus 1, 0, plus 1 is not number, orientation. That's why we should remember very easily number of orientations formula. Number of orientations are formula 2l plus 1. Number of orientation formula 2l plus 1. For example, s orbital. Acha, how many orientation? L is equal to 0. Only one orientation. That's why s orbital is spherical in geometry. Acha, p orbital. How many orientations are there? Acha, 3 orientation. What are 3? px, py, pz. Acha, that's why m values are 0, plus 1, minus 1. Acha, d orbital, number of orientations are 5. What are 5? I think you might know very well. dxy, yz, zx, or xz, x square, y square, and dz square. There are different kind of orientations. Achha, for example, d orbital L is equal to how much? 2. L value 2. What are m values are? Minus L2 plus L including 0. Chalo, always z axis के लिए m value 0 लेना. You can take a 0 for this. The remaining is your choice. Minus 2, minus 1, plus 2, plus 1, whatever may be. Means minus 2 to plus 2 including 0. These are the values of m values only. So this is a very important quantum number regarding to among the remaining 3 quantum numbers, because previously so many times these questions are asked. So what are the possibility, what is impossible, what is permissible, what is not permissible, like questions. We can discuss some questions previously asked regarding this quantum number also. So number of orientation 2l plus 1. Acha, chalo, like questions previously asked. And before that, I can fastly finish spin quantum number also. Spin quantum number. Spin quantum number. Achha, you know that electrons revolve around the nucleus. This is a fact only. Now the problem is electrons not only revolving around the nucleus and also revolving themselves only. The electrons spinning by their own also, spinning about their own axis also. The spinnings are 2 types are there. So electrons are spinning about their own axis. Acha, arbitrary, if electron spinning is clockwise direction, we arbitrarily taken as s is equal to plus half. If electron spin is anti-clockwise direction, you arbitrarily consider anti-clockwise direction, s is equal to minus half. Achha, there is no meaning of arbitrary, but for conventionally s is equal to plus half clockwise, s is equal to minus half for anti-clockwise, you have to consider it spin quantum number only. Achha, total spin here somewhere else in organic chemistry also it is useful for you.